Okay, so here's the rest of the second floor, kind of entering this other little area. Right ahead is my office, which all had already pretty much torn up before, and that's his office through there, which is not being torn up because it was newer. Again, you can see now straight into, this is the hallway bathroom, and then that's the bedroom, and then the master bedroom over there, so you can see all the way, and you can see everything here. You can also see down into the apartment, of course. And then if you walk, this is the hallway. So again, all that's been torn up. Those are actually, that's the attic stairs. You can see up into the attic. And then again, here's the hall and everything. And here's over into the laundry room, which he vacuumed. But this has obviously been torn up for some time. Everyone's seen this, except for that closet was taken out now. And then this is the room, the only room left standing right now. You can see in the yellow bathroom, or the yellow bedroom. This is the next major